Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand how to apply animation effects with the help of inbuilt library methods. And we have the following methods like hide and show, slide up and slide down, fade in and fade out. So we are going to understand all these functions one by one with the help of our home.html file. And let me first erase this code, right? And then let me add uh, something in my home.html. So I'm going here and add this anchor id, anchor element. I'm gonna write like hide, and here I'm gonna write id equals to show, right? And I'm also going to change these menu names, like I'm saying hide, and here I need to write show. So I have changed the name of my menu item. So when I click on the hide, I'm going to hide some section along with the animation. And when I say show, I will like to make that object appear once again on the screen, right? So here, and I'm going to apply this on this division tag. So I'm going to hide and show this division tag with the class is jumbotron, right? So what I do here is I'm gonna write, so here I would write anchor tag where the id is hide. When I click, this function should execute. Likewise, I'm going to copy it, and here I would say when I click on the anchor tag where the id is show, this function should execute. And within this, I'm going to write a div tag where this is the id. You can see that it's the same id, right? Same class name. So, and then I say hide, right? And in the show method, I'm going to show this division tag again. So here I need to write a show. Now save your document. So now go back, refresh your page. Now see, I have these hide and show methods. Now if I click on the hide, see, the entire body section of your page is gone. Now if I click on the show, it's back, right? And in this process, I can even apply some effects. I can say that when I want to hide this body section, it should be hidden by taking some time, maybe within a 5 seconds, right? So what I can write here, I can write 5000 milliseconds. So it is exactly equivalent to 5 seconds. And here I also write 5000 milliseconds, and then save your page. Now click on the refresh, right? Now if I click on the hide, see, it's taking exactly 5 seconds to disappear, and it will take the same time to appear again. Now I click on the show, and see, after 5 seconds everything is again available on your web page, right? So this is how you can apply some animation effects with the help of hide and show. And in fact, I can make some more changes here. I can apply the effect of let's say slide up, and here I can apply the effect of slide down, right? So it's a inbuilt functions, and they will give you a very good effect. And again, the slide up time is 5000 milliseconds, and the slide down time is again 5000 milliseconds. Now go back and refresh your page. Let me remove the hash here. Now if I click on the hide, see, it's slide up, it's going up, and finally it will disappear. And when I click on the show, it's slide down, it's appearing in this fashion, right? And it is taking exactly 5 seconds to disappear and appear, right? And I can even apply some more effects, like I can write fade out, and here I can write fade in. Fine. Now save your page, go back and remove the hash, refresh. Now if I click on the hide, see, it's an effect like something is fading out, right? Disappearing slowly and slowly. And then if I click on the show, it's appearing, it's a fade in, right? So these are the effects that you can apply. So these are some basic animation effects in the jQuery, and all these functions are already available in your jQuery library, right? So this is all about these functions. So I have covered hide, show, slide up, slide down, and fade in, fade out. So keep working on these functions, right?